Hey, what's up, YouTube family? So today, I want to challenge Billy to eat these with me because I tried these maybe like a month ago, and not knowing how spicy they were, I only had about 2 or 3 and I threw it out because it was just too spicy. So Billy thinks he can eat more than me. My tolerance of spicy is way higher than yours, I believe, so.
I think the challenge is kind of ridiculous. It's like challenging me to eat a bag of chips. For real. I grew up off Chicago styles, hot fries.
Chicago styles, I mean, they're hot, but they're not that hot though, you know?
Alright, we're gonna see. Let's see, we're gonna see.
Alright, so we got our own bag, hopefully.
So what your challenge is?
Doesn't smell a little spicy though. But okay, so the challenge is no drinks at all. So
well,
we got water, and I got my milk to tap out basically.
Okay.
Alright, let's do it.
So we're saying who eats the bag the quickest, who eats it all.
I guess who eats it.
Do you think that these are so hot that we won't be able to finish the bag?
I don't think so. But whoever can eat them all.
Well, cheers, cause
cheers.
I'm about to
Already.
It's that inhale that just kind of tickles your throat. I don't know.
The second one.
They're definitely hotter than Chicago style.
They're pretty tasty though.
I had a dip or something that'd be all that better.
You're cheating. I can't cheat.
They're not that good though. I mean, they're not bad.
Nobody. They're not that hot, but I can feel the burn. What about you?
They're spicy chips. I mean, if you're looking for some spicy chips to eat, I don't know. I like African food, so I like food spicy. I like Mexican food. I like spicy food. So if you just eat hot stuff on the regular, this is a good choice.
We'll see.
Probably get you some cheese dip or something to dip it in, because it's not that flavorful.
Cheese dip probably will be good. Oh my goodness.
It's not that they're hot, it's the inhale. It's like they have this spicy air. You see what I'm saying? There's that spicy air that... I should have brought a counter challenge because I knew these weren't going to be...
A counter challenge? You should have. You should have.
I should have bought a real habanero, and they just eat a habanero.
Yeah,
I knew these
a habanero.
Get it straight from the source.
Whew.
Freaking hot.
These are spicy though.
Hunted ghost pepper.
I don't think I can eat the whole bag though. Cause it gotta come out somehow, you know? Whew. I guess they're not that spicy.
Yeah, I'm waiting on your call because
They're spicy,
I can
but
eat this whole bag right now.
could you? Let me see how much you got. Oh, let me see. Oh, okay, it looks like you had a little bit.
This is ridiculous. Eating a bag of chips for a challenge.
I don't know how long it's been.
This is a big bag too.
This is a big bag, y'all.
5.5 ounces.
I got a lot left. I don't think I could do this.
Go ahead and drink that tap water.
Tap water, that's spring water.
You said it's tapping, right? It's tapping out, right?
Oh, yeah,
You see how I made that little metaphor in there right there, you know what I'm saying? A little something I do, you understand, when I feel creative and all that. It's not even that hot to me.
It is, y'all. It is. To me, it is. That's because you're not stopping.
Yeah, because it's a challenge and I'm trying to win. Trying to eat the whole bag. That's why I'm not stopping. So I guess I'll let it catch up to me at the end.
So are they spicy to you?
They're spicy, yeah. They're a good spicy chip to eat. Like I said, just have some little dip cheese or something, you'll be on.
Some queso.
Some queso, some Velveeta, some cream, however you want it. Whatever cheese you like to eat.
Alright, y'all. I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, go ahead, I'm
I'm
thirsty.
just playing. You said you thirsty anyway? Go.
I almost
Do
drank
it.
it just cuz.
Do it.
So if I finish my bag before you,
Oh my
I get to
god.
drink water?
Yeah, cause you done.
But that mean I won though, right?
Yeah.
That wouldn't be capping, right?
No.
Alright. No what?
It wouldn't be cheating. You
Alright,
won,
it
basically.
wouldn't be capping, right?
No, because you ate the whole bag.
Okay. I just wanted a documented word confession. Cause I am thirsty. That's a good strategy.
I could do this no more. Are you getting down to the bottom where it's super spicy?
I'm done. Time for some water.
I'm doing milk. I'm sorry, I'm typing in. Typing out.
You already lost. You know, I'm tapping out. She done lost already. She can't tap out. Chips were hot, but that's not why I drink this all the way like that. I just don't like leaving bottled water around.
Excuses.
Room temperature water is the best water. Alright, I'm starting to feel the spice now.
Oh, you starting to feel? I been felt the spice.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Taking them breaks. I'm so done with you. I'm so done with you. Oh, now I can feel the spice.
Yeah, now I can feel it.
Boy, you better get some milk. He need milk. So I think the goal is to just eat as much as you can. Eat as much as you can, because if you stop, that's when you really feel the burn. Like, and I was stopping a lot. So I'm gonna take that L. I'm gonna take that L.
Save them for later for me though. I'm gonna eat them with some cheese or something. It was fun. You said the final words. It was your challenge. Crown me
I took
king.
that L. It's alright, because I'm Mrs. King, so.
Fair enough.
Alright.
I'm done. Is you done?
I'm done too, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like it.
Try these chips if you want some spicy chips. Eat it with cheese though.
Yeah. I've seen people doing like the one chip challenge. I'm not even gonna
You
go
think
there.
you can handle that?
No, I don't think I can
she
handle
can't
that.
handle this. She can handle one chip, and I'll eat that mother like a G. You just be sitting here chilling.
Can you open this for me? Oh, I got it. I got it.
You know, I mean, you got a strong independent. It's high raising. Peace.